How to delete a life event on Facebook. To get started, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view and explore pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile. Once you're here, scroll down and go over to the life event you posted on your timeline. Tap on the three dots above the post. Here, tap on Move to Bin. Tap on Move to confirm. Items in your bin will be automatically deleted after 30 days. You have now successfully removed this life event. Following these steps, you can easily delete a life event on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.